In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to optimize SEO on your Wix website step by step. This is one of the most important things you can do to make your site easier to find on Google and reach more potential visitors. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're on your dashboard, head over to the Site and Mobile App section and select Website and SEO. From there, click on SEO and Geo, and you'll see an option for the SEO Setup checklist. Don't be surprised if it takes a moment to load. That's perfectly normal, so just be patient for a few seconds. Once it's ready, you'll have the opportunity to click Get Started. The first thing the setup will ask you is to enter your site name. You'll find a field labeled What's Your Business or Site Name. Here, it's crucial to type in your site's official name exactly as it appears on your website. Keeping this consistent is a vital part of building brand recognition and ensures that both users and search engines can easily identify you. After entering your site name, go ahead and click Next. The next question will determine how your business reaches its customers. Wix will ask whether your business serves customers at a physical location or operates entirely online. Choose the option that best reflects your business model. Either choice is perfectly fine, but it will influence how your SEO strategy is structured. Once you've made your selection, hit Next again. Now we arrive at the keyword section, and this is a major component for boosting your visibility in search results. Wix allows you to add up to 3 keyword phrases that best describe your business. Consider what your potential customers might type into Google when searching for your products or services. If you're unsure what to choose, don't worry. Simply click on Find High-Performing Keywords and Wix will suggest some strong options that are more likely to rank well. This can be especially helpful if you're just getting started. You can explore more advanced keyword research tools later if you want to fine-tune your SEO strategy even further. Once you've chosen your keywords, click Next. At this point, Wix will generate your personalized SEO checklist. This list will guide you with clear, step-by-step instructions for connecting your site to Google and improving your search performance. And that's it. You've successfully set up your SEO checklist, marking a significant step forward in growing your online presence. Remember, SEO isn't something you set and forget. It's important to revisit and update your selections regularly to keep enhancing your site's visibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Wix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.